It's October 8th and we have a Cravens here. Ooh la la. And it's been raining, so it is not split resistant, as other has mentioned. I'm going to open it with one hand right here. Hold on. Oh my goodness, so juicy. I never ever seen a beautiful Black Madeira Type fig. I did not shuffle this tree in here in Seattle. No greenhouse, no nothing. It was just a crazy heat wave that have this ripe fig. Oh my gosh. So let's take a bite. Perfect. I'm telling you, 10 out of 10. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Loving it. Even though it's splitting, you got to grow this. This is Black Madeira types are worth growing, even though it's rare and pricey. This is why we do it, for that one fig to eat during fall that's flavorful, that's not watered down, that is juicy and sweet. It's so good. Oh, I hear my kids coming. I better go.